Hi everyone, Liz here. Thanks for stopping by. So I've just been handed a box by the postman and it says Happy Mail on the front of it. So I'm going to open it now and see what's inside. This is exciting. Woo! Right, let me grab my cutter and we'll have a look. I'm not going to show you the front because there's addresses on the front of it. Oh my goodness me. Wow. So these have been sent to me by the lovely Sandra. Look at this all packaged up. This is fantastic. Thank you so much. It actually says fan mail on the front. Oh, that's so kind of you and so sweet. Look, this is why Millie must have known. That's why she was looking at the box, because she's got a little parcel all for herself. Oh, we've got one for hubby as well. Yeah, his name's Paul. I do call him hubby all the time, but he is actually called Paul. Hence, if you've seen my email address, it's Paul Liz. Yeah, I know it's cheesy, Paul and Liz, but yeah. So I'll let him open that when he comes back from his dialysis. That'll really cheer him up. Thank you so much. Right, let's have a look at this, see what she said. Oh, and I've got my own little one as well. Let's see what my little note says. Oh, it says, "Hi Liz, this is just a little gift for you, Paul and Millie, to say thank you for all that you do for the diamond painting community." Oh, thank you. I look forward to your YouTube content and wait patiently for your first mishap or funny comments. You never fail to make me laugh and brighten up my day. Yeah, I don't know why all these things happen to me, they just do. Best wishes to you all, Sandra. Oh, thank you so much, Sandra. That's absolutely wonderful. I do read everybody's comments as well, and it does blow me away when people say nice things, because, yeah, it's just lovely of you. And thank you so much. But thank you, Sandra. Oh, I wonder what I've got. Let me have a look. Oh, a nice hot pink box as well. Can't think why she's got me something in hot pink, can you? Oh, there's a few things in here. So let's have a look at this first. Oh, I say. Oh, look at this. Oh, wow. Okay. So we've got a new tray. Oh, wow. This is excellent. So I've not tried one of these, so this is good. One of these where you've got the little dividers, look. So you can put so many gems in this side and then section it all out, which is great when you're doing smaller amounts, particularly like greetings cards and specials. So you can put a few different gems in at once. So obviously you need to try and do it so that when you tip them back out, you tip this one first. So does this just, oh yeah, look at that. Hey, this is good. You know, I've not seen one like that before. Wow. And then these just unclip. So, yeah, and it's got all the little ridges there, look, as well. Oh, this is a fantastic tray. I like the colour as well. Lovely green and pink. Very fresh. I'm making up words now. Fresh and spring colours. So, yeah, you can either use it as a whole tray without the little dividers, or you can use it as a tray with all the dividers, or just have one, or have two, or go up to your 4. Oh, wow. So, as I said, I've not had one like that before. That's really nice. I love the colour. Now then, I believe that this, I have seen them, is for putting your bottles in so you don't spill your gems. Let me just grab a bottle. Yeah. So you put your bottle underneath there, look, and then you tip your gems into there. And then they don't spill. So I'm hoping this is Liz proof. I will give it a go on my next kitting up and we'll see how we get on. Ah dear. Yeah, but that's excellent. And again, this is something that I have seen, but I've not tried and I've not got. So thank you ever so much. Yeah, this will definitely get used. I mean, it's just one of those little gadgets that somebody's thought up, and I thought, yeah, that would be really, really useful. And I can imagine, yes, it is. And look, it's all sloped at the sides so that it all goes down into like a funnel shape, so that as it goes down into the tub, and it doesn't matter where you put this, that it is directly underneath the funnel. So yeah, I think it could actually be Liz proof, but we'll try it and see. So, but I love the colours. Excellent. Okay, let's see what else we got. Oh, wow. Oh, goodness, look. Oh, thank you so much. Do you know, I only said on one of my videos the other day that I really wanted to get Alice and the Cheshire Cat, and they were next on my list, and I've got them. Oh, thank you. Oh, I'm blown away. That is absolutely wonderful. Oh, wow. Yay. Oh, look at the Cheshire Cat. I mean, it's got hot pink on it for starters, so I've got to like the Cheshire Cat, haven't I? And my little granddaughter, for a couple of years, for Book Day, World Book Day, did dress up as Alice from Alice in Wonderland. So I always think of my little granddaughter. So yeah, I'll have my little granddaughter on my desk and the Cheshire Cat. Oh, wow. Oh, let's have a look at these. So yeah, this is the new series, Crystal Art Buddies. So yeah, wow, because I did get Snow White and the Queen. So I've got that set. So now I've got another set. Oh, thank you. That's really, really kind of you. I'm just, yay. Oh, people are getting to know me too well. So yeah, that's the little Alice there. Look at her blue eyes. And the little key code there as well. And we get our fantastic Craft Buddy toolkit. I do like their toolkits, really, really good. And then this is little Alice. Oh, wow, look. I do like these. You can actually now, they've made a huge stand that you can fit loads of them in, but it is £70. I was toying with the idea of getting it when the 25% off was off at the beginning of January, but then I just thought no, it's just a step too far. But they are now selling like the little pods, so you can, like a modular system, so you can put each of your little buddies in one of these little pod like frame things and have them all out in a little pod. But isn't she pretty? Oh, wow. Oh, look, she's like curtsying, isn't she? She's holding a skirt out saying, look how pretty I am with my little bow on. Oh, that's gorgeous. And yeah, we'll just have a quick look. I think you can see the colours of all the gems there. Look, we've got blue and white and lemon and a little bit of a beige and a little bit of a winter white creamy colour. Oh, she's so pretty. Do you know, I might have to put at least one crystal in her eye just to make her eyes sparkle a little bit. Yeah, just remember though, if you do put crystals in the eyes, make them go in the same way. You don't want to cross-eyed. Oh, that's wonderful. Okay, and then this, it's the one thing that I always think of when I think of Alice in Wonderland. I know a lot of people think of the tea party, but all I can remember from the film is when he starts licking himself and he just licks himself away and you're just left with the smile and then it just disappears. It just always cracks me up every time I see it. So, yeah. Wouldn't it be nice if we could get rid of our lumps and bumps like that? Oh, dear. Yeah, oh, there's just a little bit of extra weight from Christmas. Let me just get rid of that. So there he is, look. In a really good mischievous pose, and again with just 6 colours there as well. Really good. Let's have a look at it. Oh, look at that. Oh, wonderful. Look, and I like hot pink. Oh, that's fabulous. Yeah, they are lovely, these little wooden items, and they are licensed Disney as well. So, and I do love Craft Buddy. They are how I got into diamond painting. Yeah, my first items that I ever got that were diamond painting wise, they were actually crystal art, they were called then, crystal art cards. And it was just literally putting like the crystal gems onto cards. And then I sort of like, I liked doing that. And then I saw some on, I think it was Amazon, some pictures, some Christmas pictures, and I thought, oh, that'd be different to do. And I did start them, but then I got overwhelmed with orders for Christmas cards, so they ended up sort of like put away. And then it was a couple of years later when I did then pick them up again and do them. Thoroughly enjoyed it, and then started buying more and more, and Craft Buddy started bringing out more things as well, and canvases and everything, and I'm just absolutely hooked. And I think I still enjoy diamond painting as much now as I did when I first started doing it. It's just such a lovely, mindful, I know that's like a watchword that everybody uses these days, but you do. You just enjoy doing it. It's just an easy craft to do, and it's not particularly messy, unless you spill your gems, of course. And I just love it. And these are just wonderful. So yeah, look at all these hot pinks. Oh wow, that is so my colour palette, and that lovely deep purple as well. Wonderful. Oh, thank you, Sandra. These are absolutely fantastic. Okay, so I'll get hubby to open his present when he comes home, but let's see if Millie Moo wants to have a look at hers. Look at this then. What's this? That's for you. That's for you. It's from Sandra. Say thank you, Sandra. Come here. Bring it this way. Go on then. Have a look. See if you can get it out. What is it? What is it? Hey, do you want Mummy to hold it? You're having a look. Hey, you're having a look. It's for you. You're going to get it out. Hey, is it going to roll? You're going to have a look. Oh, it's for you. You're not used to this, are you? You're used to Mummy doing lots of unboxings, but you're not used to having one for yourself. This is lovely. Hey, getting it out. What have you got? Oh, what is it? What is it? Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. What is it? Look at this. What is it? Look at that, just for you. What does it say? It's a puppuccino. You've got a puppuccino. Wow, do you like it? Is it good? Oh, you're going to sit and play with it. Are you going to sit and play with it? Hey, oh. Oh. Hey, is it good? Is it good? Thank you, Sandra. I think this is fab. I think this is a definite hit. Yes. We're going to be playing with this one. Play with it. Oh, that's wonderful. You've got a puppuccino. You're getting it. You're killing it. You're getting it. You're getting it. You do realise now that whenever I do an unboxing, she's going to be looking to see if there's anything for her. Millie, you're going to say thank you, Sandra? No, I'm too busy killing this cup of coffee. I'm too busy killing this squeak. I've got to get it. I've got to get it. Oh dear, that's wonderful. Absolutely brilliant. We've not seen one of those, have we, Mills? No. She's going to get it. 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 Oh, well, that's me for the afternoon then. See you in a bit. What are you doing? You can't stand on it and drag it along as well. That's your present then from Sandra. There you are, you see. Me doing a YouTube and you're getting things.
You're Titanic, thank you.
Oh, wow. Oh, you've got a coaster. Oh, excellent. Oh, you'll definitely use that. Oh, they're lovely. They're like real shiny metallic stickers. Excellent. Oh, I like them. Put them on your notebook. Have you got them?
A bit funny with my hands. There you go. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, look at that.
Fridge magnet.
Oh, that's great.
Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, that's lovely. Thank you.
So huge thank you again, Sandra. I just don't know how many times I can say thank you. I love these. Obviously listen to my videos closely, and yeah, you know me that I need something to help me with those gems. Millie is still playing with her squeaky toy and throwing it around in my craft room now. She's followed me back into here. Hubby loves his items as well, so thank you so much. It's very, very kind of you. And thank you everybody for watching. I hope you've really enjoyed looking at these as much as I have. If you have, as always, a thumbs up is very much appreciated. Any comments or questions in the comments down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And if you want to join our little family and see what we get up to next, then if you press that subscribe button down in this corner and the all notifications bell that pops up, you'll be notified when any of my videos come out, so you're not going to miss anything. Yay! Okay, thanks ever so much for stopping by, and I do hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.